Why do some drivers press their key fobs against their heads? How do others make their tires last twice as long without spending a dime? These aren't TikTok gimmicks. They're real tricks passed down by veteran mechanics and old-school car pros. And once you know them, you'll never look at your car the same way again. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 9 car secrets most drivers never learn. From hidden features built into your vehicle to the truth about so-called lifetime transmission fluid. These tips can save you serious cash. Stick around to the end for the #1 warranty trick that dealerships really hope you never find out. Secret number 9, the key fob signal trick. This one sounds crazy, but it works. Ever seen someone hold their key fob against their head to unlock their car from farther away? It's not a joke. Engineers found that the fluids in your skull actually amplify the signal, turning your head into a makeshift antenna. Weird science? Definitely. But in a pinch, it might just get your doors open from across the parking lot. That might sound like a party trick, but secret number 8 is hiding in plain sight, built right into your rear window. Secret number 8, the hidden antenna in your rear window. See those little lines in your back window? Most people think they're just for defrosting, but they're doing double duty. Starting in the early 2000s, car makers began hiding radio antennas inside those lines to clean up the car's look without sacrificing reception. Smart, right? But here's the kicker. When you turn on the defroster, the signal can sometimes get glitchy. That's because those same lines are now busy melting frost and trying to pull in your favorite station. Pretty clever stuff, but secret number 7 is even sneakier. It's the tiny detail most drivers miss, and it solves one of the most common gas station headaches. Secret number 7, the gas cap arrow you never noticed. Ever pulled up to the pump only to forget which side your gas cap is on? You're not alone, and that's exactly what Honda's engineers set out to fix in 1989. Their solution? A tiny arrow next to the fuel gauge that quietly points to the correct side. No fanfare, no flashy tech, just a simple fix for a common problem. It was so effective, every major automaker copied it. And yet millions of drivers still don't realize it's there until someone points it out. That little arrow might save you from circling the pump, but secret number 6 could save your fuel pump and hundreds of dollars in repairs. Number 6, never let your tank go below quarter full. Running low on gas won't just leave you stranded, it can wreck your fuel pump. And that's an $800 repair you don't want. Here's why. Modern electric fuel pumps sit inside your gas tank and use the surrounding fuel to stay cool. Let the tank run low and that pump runs hot, over and over, until it fails. Old school mechanics figured this out decades ago. That's why seasoned drivers treat a quarter tank like empty. It's one of the simplest habits to double your fuel pump's life. While most people worry about running out of gas, experienced drivers worry about running hot. By the way, if you've learned something new, hit that like button. It helps this video reach more drivers who need these tips. Now, secret number 5 might ruffle a few feathers, but it's about premium gas and why most people are wasting money on it. Secret number 5, stop paying for premium gas unless your manual says required, you're probably throwing money away at the pump. Back in the 50s, high-performance engines needed premium gas to prevent knocking. Today, not so much. Modern engines have smart computers that adjust to regular fuel just fine. The trick is in the wording. If your owner's manual says recommended, that's optional. Required means yes, pay up. But anything else, save your money. Drivers who know this save hundreds a year, and their cars run just as smooth. Now let's talk about one of the most expensive myths in car care. Secret number 4. It all started with one sneaky word: lifetime. Secret number 4, the lifetime fluid lie that kills transmissions. Lifetime transmission fluid sounds great until your transmission dies, right after the warranty ends. Car makers started this trick in the 90s when they realized most people returned leased cars in 3 to 4 years, so why bother with long-term maintenance? The truth? Lifetime means warranty, not forever. Experienced mechanics know better. They've seen too many transmissions fail because drivers never changed the fluid. Here's what to watch for. Fresh fluid looks red and clean. Old fluid turns brown and smells burnt. And if you wait too long, the damage is done. Want your transmission to last? Change the fluid every 50,000 miles. Spend $150 now or $4,000 later. Speaking of costly mistakes, secret number 3 exposes maintenance upsells that sound helpful but aren't. If any of these tips have saved you money or made you say, wait, what? Consider subscribing for more money-saving ideas. Alright, let's roll into secret number 3. This one exposes the bogus maintenance services shops love to sell you, and why smart drivers say no. Number 3, the maintenance scams hiding in plain sight. Back in the 1970s, cars needed constant attention. Tune-ups every few months, carburetor cleaning, valve adjustments. Mechanics earned their keep because those cars were simple and high maintenance. But cars evolved. Fuel injection replaced carburetors. Computers took over engine timing. Oil, filters, and fuel quality all improved. Yet one thing didn't change: the upsells. Shops still pitch services from a bygone era because they're insanely profitable. Take fuel injector cleaning. They'll charge you $200 to blast the gunk out. But modern injectors are self-cleaning. The fuel you pump already has detergents that do the job. Unless your car is misfiring or running rough, you're paying for nothing. Then there's the engine flush. It sounds high-tech, like a spa day for your engine. But it's risky. Flushes can knock loose particles and send them straight into oil passages. Translation: you just paid $150 to shorten your engine's life. And those air filter pitches? Shops love to show a filthy display filter to scare you into buying the $50 performance one. But your engine doesn't care. A $15 standard filter traps the same dirt, breathes just as well, and keeps your engine just as happy. The truth is simple. If your owner's manual doesn't recommend it and your car isn't throwing symptoms, say no. Shops aren't always lying, but they're definitely selling. We've tackled myths under the hood. Now let's hit the road. Secret number 2 is all about your tires and how a 5-minute habit could save you thousands. Up next is secret number 2. Why your tires wear out too fast and how to make them last twice as long. Think tires are just rubber and air? Think again. Every inch of wear on your tires tells a story about how you drive, how your car is aligned, and how much money you're leaving on the table without even realizing it. You've probably heard about rotating tires and checking air pressure, but here's what most drivers don't know. Ignoring one of these 3 critical habits could be slashing your tire life in half, literally. Let's rewind to the 1920s. Early drivers began noticing strange wear patterns, bald spots here, smooth edges there. Mechanics discovered that simply moving the tires around, swapping front to back, dramatically increased tire lifespan. That practice became known as rotation. It was the first major breakthrough in tire longevity. Decades later, the 1970s fuel crisis hit. Drivers scrambled to get more miles per gallon, and that's when another secret came out. Proper tire pressure didn't just save gas, it reduced uneven wear. Underinflated tires flex too much, build heat, and break down from the inside out. Overinflated tires, they wear down the center and destroy traction. Either way, your wallet takes the hit. But the real game changer? Alignment. Most people think of alignment as something you fix after hitting a curb. But seasoned drivers know it's the silent killer of tires. If your wheels aren't perfectly aligned, your tires wear unevenly, fast. It's like walking for miles in shoes that tilt to one side. Sure, you'll get there, but you'll destroy your soles doing it. Now here's where it all comes together. When you rotate your tires every 5,000 miles, when you check pressure monthly, when you get your alignment checked every 12,000 miles, you're not just doing maintenance, you're doubling the lifespan of your tires. Think about that. If a full set costs $600, skipping these steps means you're throwing away hundreds of dollars, and doing it every few years. Meanwhile, experienced drivers are quietly gliding along on tires that last 60,000 miles or more. Same tires, just better habits. And here's the kicker. Mechanics rarely push these tricks because there's no profit in telling you how to not buy new tires. Those tire secrets are already saving people thousands. But we're not done yet. Secret number 1 is the biggest money saver of all, and it's hiding in plain sight on the day you buy your car. This one tip could rescue your bank account from a 4-figure mistake. And finally, secret number 1, the warranty trick that saves you thousands. And dealers hope you never learn it. If you're going to remember just one secret from this video, make it this one. Because it's the most expensive mistake car buyers make. And it happens at the worst possible moment, right after you agree to buy the car. Picture it. You've picked the car, you've agreed on a price, and you're emotionally all in. That's when the dealership brings in the closer, the finance guy. He doesn't talk about the paint job, he talks about peace of mind. He offers you an extended warranty for just a few dollars more per month. It sounds reasonable. You just spent tens of thousands, what's another $30 a month for protection? Here's the problem. That extended warranty you're being sold for $2,000 or $3,000, it often costs the dealer less than $800. That's a 200% markup, and you never even knew it happened. But here's the move smart drivers make. They wait. They drive their car for 2 or 3 years until the factory warranty is almost up. Then they look around and ask one key question. Has my car had problems? If the answer is no, they know they've got a solid vehicle. If the answer is yes, they know what kind of protection they might actually need. And instead of buying from the dealership, they go directly to third-party warranty providers, often the exact same companies that back dealer plans. The result? Identical coverage for up to 50% less. And it gets better. By waiting, you protect yourself and your wallet. No rushed decision, no emotional pressure, no massive markup. It's one of the best-kept secrets in car buying, and one that could save you more than all the other hacks in this video combined. This isn't just about avoiding scams. It's about knowing how the game is played and beating it at its own rules. If you found these tips helpful, make sure to give this video a thumbs up and subscribe for more car-saving secrets. And don't forget to watch this next video where we reveal 10 maintenance myths that could destroy your engine. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next one.